We'll guide you through how to compare Wix Studio versus Wix Editor. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the official Wix website. Once you're there, log in with your account credentials. After logging in, you'll be directed to your dashboard where you can see all your projects. Click on the Create New Site option to explore both Wix Studio and Wix Editor. On the next screen, you'll have the option to choose between Wix Studio and Wix Editor. Wix Studio is designed for more complex and customized projects, offering advanced design tools and features like responsive design across devices and more control over animations and interactions. On the other hand, Wix Editor is user-friendly and straightforward, perfect for those who prefer a more guided approach with drag-and-drop functionality and pre-made templates. To explore Wix Studio, select it, and you'll enter a workspace with powerful design options, including layers, grid lines, and custom breakpoints for responsive designs. If you choose the Wix Editor, you'll notice a more simplified interface with easy-to-use tools and a wide range of templates to get you started quickly. As you explore both, consider what your project needs are. If you need advanced design capabilities and more creative control, Wix Studio might be the better choice. However, if you want to get a site up and running quickly with minimal hassle, Wix Editor could be the way to go. Remember, you can always switch between the two depending on your needs as you become more comfortable with the platform. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.